What's up, sons? It's Blind Rod with Son of a Tech once again, and today we have some exciting news. I'm a little late on this, maybe a couple weeks, but we do see that Coinbase, at least the Coinbase wallet, has integrated with the Matic Polygon network. This is great news for miners, especially coming into, of course, the changes that will happen with EIP 1559 here on August 4th. We'll get into more details right after a word from our sponsor. Today's sponsor is myself. To support the channel, click the join button below the video and you will get access to our privately hosted Rocket Chat. Selecting the $1.99 option will get you access, and after that you need to head over to the membership tab, scroll down, and expand out your membership perks. Find the section for connecting on social media, and in that section there will be a secret registration URL to join Rocket Chat, where you can sign up to enjoy talking with other cryptocurrency enthusiasts and miners without spammers, scammers, or bots. Welcome back. So hopping right in here, we have a blog post from the Coinbase blog. And essentially it says connect to dApps on the Polygon network with the Coinbase wallet. The Polygon network is now available on the Coinbase wallet mobile app and extension, with more scaling solutions to come. We're excited to launch support for using decentralized apps, dApps, on the Polygon network, both for Coinbase Wallet Mobile and extension. Over 1 million Coinbase Wallet customers are using decentralized finance apps such as Uniswap, Compound, and Aave, and NFT platforms like OpenSea and Zora. However, there are often high transaction fees and long confirmation times, and users with smaller transactions can be priced out of being able to participate in the open financial system. This has made the need for accessible scaling solutions even more important. We are excited to support the Polygon network, which has recently emerged as one of the leading scaling solutions. This integration will allow for faster and cheaper transactions and provide easier access to dApps on Polygon. Last year, we added support for optimistic rollups, another scalability solution, and today's announcement underscores our dedication to making DeFi more accessible. Then it goes through how to connect. So to be clear, just so you guys understand, this is not Coinbase.com like your application that allows the centralized version that allows you to essentially be able to go directly from cryptocurrency to fiat, which hopefully, the integration here will help this transition eventually, but right now it is just the decentralized Coinbase wallet, and essentially all you have to do here is go in after you've downloaded the Coinbase wallet and created your account, and then go down and hit the active network and then go to the Polygon mainnet. Now, with my MetaMask that was connected to the Polygon mainnet, I did send and confirm some Matic over to the Coinbase wallet. And here's kind of where we run into the particular issue right now. So the idea for miners and why this is important is that essentially staying on payouts to Polygon Matic from ethermine.org is going to reduce the amount of fees that you have to pay. Coming up on August 5th, essentially ethermine.org is going to be charging people when they get paid out from the pool. This is to alleviate some issues with, of course, the burning of fees that will be implemented with EIP 1559 to ensure, at least as best I can tell or can assume here, to avoid any sort of negative funds within the pool's wallet. See, it's going to get more and more complicated to run pools for Ethereum essentially because of these burned fees, and so it's just easier mathematically on the pool software to go ahead and have the miners actually pay a portion of the fees when they are paying out the miners. If you are an Ethereum mainnet, because of the low fee costs on Polygon, and because they have already integrated Polygon for payouts through ethermine.org, you can essentially not only get more frequent payouts, but payouts without any sort of additional fees when getting paid out. So this is important. The problem here that a lot of people are running into is an easy way to convert to fiat so that you can basically have liquidated funds to cover costs of your farm, including power, rent, upgrades, electrical upgrades, whatever else it may be. And the thing is right now with Polygon Matic, there's not a quick way to get out to fiat. What I was hoping for here is, if you guys are familiar with the Coinbase wallet, essentially you are typically able to go into the Coinbase wallet and say transfer, and then select your Coinbase as an option, and it'll transfer to the main Coinbase. However, right now for Polygon Matic, this isn't an option. So you can't just mine to your Coinbase wallet and then just click it and transfer it over to Coinbase for an easy transaction into fiat, unfortunately, right now. My assumption here, though, is that since we've seen this step forward within, of course, Coinbase, that eventually this direct transfer out from the Matic network to your Coinbase wallet for Ethereum, for example, after you've mined it, will be coming in the near future. And that's really pretty much the entire point of this. Start getting yourself familiarized with the differences between the Matic network and the Ethereum mainnet, and how to transfer in and out between those, including but not limited to, of course, the Coinbase wallet. Go follow the instructions, start getting your feet wet and figuring it out. For now, though, you still should go check out my videos on how to bridge from Matic to the Ethereum mainnet and back, so that you can essentially send your wrapped ETH to the mainnet and cash it out at this time. There are some exchange options that we have talked about that do support the Matic network, which can reduce some fees here and there. Be sure to check out my video for coverage on all of that as well, so you understand what your options are. Once again, this is a good thing because we are getting more options. It's pushing us in the correct direction. Like I talk about with mining, one of the biggest issues, especially when we're talking about even moving off of Ethereum eventually, but for sure this is an example, is that being able to liquidate your cryptocurrency to increase the size of your farm or pay for costs is paramount. And the easiest way to do that, along with the cheapest way to do that, is preferred. Once moving over to new coins like Raven Coin or Ergo, this may become more complicated. What's good here, as far as the Polygon network goes, is it starts getting your feet wet into interacting with different chains and basically getting used to all of the different applications and options you have for, of course, making these transfers. So I wanted to cover it today. It is exciting news. We do see, of course, it functioning great. One of the things that I've noticed is that the network for Polygon Matic has gotten much quicker. I believe we confirmed this within like 2 minutes. It was just boom, instant. There was a problem for quite some time on the Matic network with up to 6-day wait times, which just wasn't going to be viable. Luckily, it seems to be getting better and better and better and better, and we'll have to keep our eyes on it. Now, I have heard the argument that with ETH moving, to proof of stake via the merge, that this won't be a necessary scaling solution. But I want to remind you guys of something. That's like essentially saying that Ethereum isn't relevant because there are better technologies like Polkadot or Cardano out there. The thing is the adoption rate for scalability solutions is going to be paramount. And seeing how much Matic and Polygon are being adopted right now is a very good sign for that particular network. And I think it will stay relevant even post-merge, but it's extremely relevant right now for miners. And as you guys know, even if you aren't miners, miners do influence the market. End of story. So if Matic is enabling miners to basically get their funds out cheaper and faster and more frequently, then you may want to be taking a look at it because that is a big deal. Thanks for watching today. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'd like to hear your thoughts down in the comment section below. I can't wait till I can transfer directly from, of course, the Matic network on the Coinbase wallet into Coinbase. That's going to be key. It's going to be very important, so I'm going to be keeping my eyes on it as keenly as possible. And if you guys see that pop, let me know. You can hit me up on Twitter at @SonOfATech, and I will see you next Tuesday. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to see more. Also, you can check out this playlist for more content talking about cryptocurrency.